Hello and welcome to the sixth one of the series AI in Real World. The series covers interesting case studies of AI implementation in various industries. We have covered 5 different industries in this series of videos and you'll be able to find the playlist here somewhere on the top. Today in this series, we are going to cover the entertainment industry from movies to games, everything. I am Deep from Ibiixo. Let's get started. From games to live streams, from movies to series, AI is transforming the whole entertainment industry. We are going to cover 3 giant companies in various industries of entertainment. First, we are going to cover Netflix, the streaming company we all know about. Second, we are going to talk about Epic Games, the video game company who made Unreal series, Infinite series and a lot more from our childhood. And the last one, DeepMotion, the animation company which helps to create wonderful 3D models. And today, we will talk about each of them and how they are implementing AI in their progress, in their customer experience and in their development cycle. Now, before we dive into each of these companies specifically, let's talk about the best use case of AI generally across whole entertainment industry. The very first one is content personalization. There are a lot of ways in which content personalizations is done across overall entertainment industry. You see about streaming, you see about gaming, you see about all implementations. Right? The second one is the overall game development, the way the games are developed, the way not just the video games, right? The overall game industry, the interactions, the gamification in a streaming platform, everything. And the third one is animation and visual effects. So there are a lot of ways AI has been used in animation and visual effects to make sure the content which is generated is very much real life. Now that we have a generalized idea, let's get started with the case studies. And the first one which we are going to cover is Epic Games. Epic Games have used AI in all aspects of their gaming business. Epic Games use AI for the most important aspect of the game, which is NPC. That is the non-player characters. The clouds which are going in the background, the landfill, everything is an NPC, or the computerized managed players that are also NPC. Epic Game uses AI to make NPCs so interactive that it seems like they are live players and objects which are controlled by the interactions done by the user. Have you ever seen that you're playing game, you're going from one part of the game to the other part of the game, wherein it changes from day to night, right? And you suddenly see the sun moving around, the moon is coming in, the background is turning from bright to night. That is all a part of NPC, and they use so immersively with the use of AI that it looks really very realistic. The second thing where Epic Game uses AI is procedural content generation. In large games, there is a lot of development in environment apart from just the players. With the use of AI, Epic Game creates a lot of realistic environment, and not just the environment, the whole world. With almost half the time they develop it without AI. And the last thing, of course, is the animation and graphic enhancements. AI-powered tools make it a lot easier for developers to make more realistic animation. And how does that work? This happens with human and environmental scanning. The data from the scanning, when used with really good AI model, makes it very easy for the companies to develop realistic animations. Now, before we move to the next one, are you planning for a game or a streaming app? If yes, get in touch with us on our email sales@ibiixo.com or visit us at www.ibiixo.com. Moving to the second company in the list, everyone's favorite, Netflix. Netflix have been changing the ballgame of the streaming industry with personalized content from a long time. And when it has been used with AI, the personalized content game goes a next level, right? The second place when Netflix using AI is content creation. In a lot of series made by Netflix, they have used AI to make content which is very much relevant to the scene. And of course, with the use of AI, a lot of expressions of the actors have been managed post-production back in the studios rather than at the time of shooting. And that helps them to create really rich content out of what they already have. And that is the one reason why you see a lot of better videos on Netflix in past 2.5 years. The last thing from the list of Netflix in this video is about the quality experience. With the use of AI, Netflix has made streaming a lot more smoother even in the low network area. And you will specifically experience this when you are moving from a Wi-Fi network to a mobile network. The experience is really flawless. Before moving to the next company, make sure you like, share and subscribe the channel for more AI and technology related content. You will find the link of the playlist where we have posted a lot of real world examples of AI in various industries like education, healthcare, e-commerce, finance and automobile. Do check them all. The link would be here somewhere. DeepMotion creates a lot of realistic animations with the use of AI. It would have been impossible to generate next to real animations without the use of AI. And DeepMotion is the pioneer in the field of implementing AI, and they are also pioneers in the field of 3D animations and characters. Now let's see how DeepMotion uses AI and in what form. The first in the list is realistic motion capture. When an AI model scans realistic motion from humans, animals and other objects, it helps to create and replicate the same animation which are breathtaking. Just imagine how Tom Cruise walks and how Britney Spears sings. When added on a really good AI model, helps DeepMotion to create similar experience on a newly created AI character. Right? This was impossible without the use of AI. Both of this leads to the third point, enhance visual effects. When a company uses AI in all aspects of their business in animation, and that is done in the right way, it of course helps them to enhance their visual effects. Now in this case for DeepMotion, they are able to achieve more realistic visual effects due to the trained AI model they already have. And of course, they would have invested a lot to create that model. We have a very detailed blog which covers all aspects of implementation of AI in the entertainment industry, and this is way more detailed than what we are talking in the video. You'll find the link to the blog in the description below. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for more such content on AI and technology. Signing off, Deep Karia from Ibiixo from the series AI in Real World.